Today I'm bringing you important news about YouTube's latest update that starts rolling out on the 15th, 22nd and 30th of July 2025. So if you're a creator or thinking about starting a YouTube channel, you need to hear this because these updates could directly affect your earnings, how you're discovered here on YouTube, and your streaming options. So if this sounds good to you, please stay tuned, because by the end of this video I am going to also show you how you're going to be able to navigate despite these updates and continue earning on YouTube, continue monetizing your content, and give you better advice at the end of. So first up, let us jump to the first one that is rolling out on the 15th of July, which is new monetization policy. Okay, first up is the biggest change for monetization, which is starting on July 15th. Yes, in 2025, YouTube will no longer pay creators who upload repetitive, copied or mass-produced content that doesn't add any unique value to that content. Okay, so what does this mean? This means that if you're posting content like compilations without commentary, reuse clips from other channels like TikTok and Facebook, Instagram and the rest, auto-generated videos without originality, you could lose your YouTube partner program eligibility and all your earnings from ads and membership. So YouTube wants to promote original content, yes, high quality content. So now is the time to review your videos. Okay, ensure you're creating something unique, something that, like, you as a person, like, are you gaining value from your own content? Is your content adding any value to you? You need to ask yourself that. Is an important question, because YouTube wants to pay people for the value they are delivering, not just uploading anyhow content. So the second update is YouTube is launching an AI-powered search carousel for premium users in the United States. Yes, this is actually going to start from the premium users and is coming out on the 22nd of July. When you search for topics like, let me say, travel, shopping or tutorials, you'll start seeing AI generated summaries based on that content, curated video collections, key moments highlighted automatically from those videos. So this feature is testing through on the 30th of July, and if it's successful, it will likely expand to more users here on YouTube and then globally. This means your videos, your video titles, your descriptions and metadata will become even more important, because the AI will pick what to showcase in the search carousel. Okay, so this basically means that your items are going to show in search with all these summaries and the remaining summaries and the rest showing on them. So this one is another important update. Okay, the next one is live stream age restrictions. Okay, another significant change is happening on July 22nd. Yes, okay, so YouTube is raising the minimum age requirement for independent live streaming. They are raising the age requirement. Okay, so creators now must be at least 16 years old to go live alone. Yes, for those of us that have children who are content creators. So if you are between the age of 13 to 15 years old, you cannot live stream alone without a parent or a guardian present. Okay, otherwise your live chat and streaming features could be disabled automatically. Okay, this policy is actually a good one, because this is aimed at protecting younger users and ensuring a safer live stream environment for these younger users. So you see that YouTube is actually improving and they want to prepare their platform to be safe for people of all ages. Okay, so how do you prepare your channel? Okay, how do you prepare your channel for this important update that is happening right now? What should you do to prepare for these changes? The first thing I will advise you to do is to audit your content. This is very important. Remove or edit videos that could be flagged as repetitive or low effort. Okay, the second thing is update your metadata. Optimize your titles, your descriptions and tags to help the AI understand your video, so that when they search, it can show in this search carousel. And if you're underage of this age requirements, like if you are below the age that YouTube requests for you to go live, you can check your age setting and be sure that you comply to this new policy, so that you don't fall victim to this YouTube new update. Okay, so to wrap up what we have discussed in this video, this important update shows that YouTube is becoming more serious about content quality and user safety. Yes, this update is not here to scare you, it's not here to demonetize you. It's for you to get serious. Okay, this is what YouTube wants, and it's for you to work along with it in order for you to continue earning on this platform. So if you stay informed and keep your channel authentic, you'll be ahead of the game. So thank you so much for watching this video till this moment. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more YouTube updates, and drop a comment below if you have any question at all on where you need clarity on what we discussed in this video, and any other concerns you may have. Until I see you in my next video, please stay safe and take good care of yourself. Thank you so much. Bye.